Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys phone do not disturb setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we enable guys Infinix phone guys phone do not disturb mode, and friend, how can we use it. Today friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see guys how can we enable guys our Infinix phone guys phone do not disturb mode, and friend, how can we use it. So first of all guys open your phone setting and guys open your guys your search bar. So we will search here guys do not disturb. As you can see guys do not disturb SS, and as you can see do not disturb first one. So you will have to click on my phone first one do not disturb setting here guys, and friends you can enable guys your do not disturb from here. So after enable guys come back and friends open guys your phone sound and vibration setting. So friends your media volume and guys your alarm ringtone means your alarm volume will turn off automatic guys, you cannot use it guys, you can see. So like that guys we can enable do not disturb mode guys and we can use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching.